Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your Happy Plugs Joy too quiet? So firstly I recommend it to clean the grill. Right here and right here we have the grill. You need to use a brush, or if you haven't cleaned to a toothbrush, and clean the grill. Next step, maybe your problem is that your earbud just too old and maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem only with one earbud, I know one solution. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. So we can change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to find, maybe you need to check iPhone part to find a similar path. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Then scroll down, and in the Hearing, we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and here it is, Audio Balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this slider to the left. But you need to find a good balance. Right now we increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. If you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the left and to the right. And we need to also find a good balance here for you. And we increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. That's it for iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom in the settings, so we need to scroll down, enter into Accessibility, then scroll down again, and at the bottom we will have Audio Adjustment. Here we go, tap at this line. Here it is, Audio Balance. If you had the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left. And again, you need to find a good balance here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!